So we are on an adventure. Beth, what's our adventure?
Our adventure is dumping our gray tank, getting our poop tanks clean.
So we're dumping the gray. Take a look underneath, see if I parked it right.
Oh my God, so perfect.
Nailed it.
Nailed it. Did you show them?
Yeah.
Huh?
Hello. While it's raining, take this out.
And what is that, Mark?
I don't know.
No, that.
That's the cassette.
And what's the cassette from?
That's the toilet.
Okay. So that's
There
the...
are twos. You got a one.
Uh-huh.
You need $1.
Okay, pause it.
The gray tank's almost drained. I only had $2 euros. Beth, on the other hand, is the genius with the dollar, the euros.
Yeah, whenever people give you change, Mark,
Yeah.
look at them and say, can I have ones, please?
Yeah.
Because
Okay.
ones work everything.
So you want to hold this or do you want to do it?
No, here.
This doesn't work.
Look.
Oh, I could have done that. I thought you had to use 50. Okay. So, here. Here. Okay. Cassette type. We're good. Right?
Uh-huh.
3's, press the start button. Or would you like what behind the box door number 1?
Yeah, uh-huh.
And goes the machine.
Turns the orange knob.
I did it.
Okay.
6 is start. Hopefully it'll make a lot of noise.
It's a poop vending machine
In reverse.
in reverse. You have to pay them and you give them your poop.
Let's see what happens.
Oh! So it's gonna come out minty fresh?
I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully it worked.
Yeah.
You can pause. It's empty, mostly,
Well, they put some green stuff in it.
with some stuff in it. You want to see?
No. Oh, look there. Yes. Ooh.
See?
Yeah, I'm not showing them that.
There's some poop in it. That goes in there.
So, Mark, how would you normally empty your poop tank?
Well, we could go do that.
Well, no, we don't need to show people how to empty it. Just tell them what you do.
You just open up, you find an access point for it.
Uh-huh. Which is like a sink for poop tanks, right?
There's a sink for poop tanks. Or it could be in a public toilet, or a jar, or a porta potty, or whatever.
Okay.
It all works. Do you want to do the other one?
Yeah,
Just to keep it minty fresh?
but we're gonna turn this off now.
Okay. So we're cleaning our second cassette because we carry 2 cassettes because we're used to having 100 gallons of waste in the DX3 and we're into 10. so we weren't sure, 5. Actually.
5, yeah.
And we weren't sure how long that would last for us, so we got an extra cassette, and I'm cleaning the extra cassette. And then over here is where the gray tank was draining. It's all drained now. So down here, I'm going to put our little lever back in. Very importantly, always wash your hands after you handle the container.
Yep.
This sink here, warm water.
Wow.
Yeah.
And soap available right there.
So
Look
we're
at
all
that.
done.
Great.
So after you empty it, you gotta fill it. So shit comes out, shit goes in.
Fresh water goes in.
Fresh water goes in, shit goes out. In case you don't believe me,
So you just stick the hose in the hole to fill it up?
yeah, then everything's off a pump.
That's wild.
None of these sites have water and electricity to dump at them like they do in the U.S.
Yep. They just have electricity.
It's a pitch.
Yeah.
And the electricity is, I wouldn't say minimal, but there's an electric at every site.
Right.
And by us, there's 4 people on the same post.
Right.
Luckily, we're close.
Yeah, because our cord isn't as long as some of these
No,
need to be.
I'm not sure what we need, if we need anything. So,
Yeah, we're good with living without electricity too. So.
yeah. So that's it. This fills with water, and we're done. So that's it on this video for how to dump your cassette tank using a machine. Very weird. Never saw anything like it. Haven't seen one since. So our next video is going to be our install of our Starlink system. I want to stay tuned for that one. And until then, we'll see you up and down the road.